Hello everyone, this is Dr. Sushma Sarila, consulting homeopath at Fidicus Homeopathy. Coming to the precautions, what should you do if you're having or if you're suffering from PCOS or PCOD? Remember, PCOD is very easy to treat. Certain lifestyle changes along with homeopathic medications can help you a lot in, healing from the disease within 6 to 7 months. But PCOS needs a lot of changes. Sleep cycle should be set up. That is, you should sleep before 10 o'clock and wake up at 6 or 7. Your lifestyle which contains good amount of fibrous food, good amount of leafy vegetables, good amount of protein, healthy fats and healthy minerals, and decrease the consumption of processed or ultra processed food, decrease the consumption of candy, work on your vitamin D. If your vitamin D is low, try to take medications or supplementations along with getting a good sun exposure. And apart from that, working out is very, very important. When you increase your muscle will help in maintaining the glucose level in the body. So these are some of the precautions you need to take if you're suffering from PCOD or PCOS. What happens if you neglect this PCOS or PCOD? If you neglect this PCOD and if you're having really bad life cycle or lifestyle, you can turn into PCOS, and PCOS can in turn cause hyperandrogenism, facial hair, it can cause diabetes mellitus, it can cause thyroid issues, it can cause fertility issues, it can cause your uterus to develop other diseases like fibroid. Because of the hormonal disruption, it can trigger fibroids or even bulky uterus. We have seen a case in Fidicus homeopathy which has complications of PCOS along with fibroids, and apart from fibroids and PCOS, they even have bulky uterus, and they were planning for a baby. So if you're coming with this much amount of complications, it will take time for you to heal. As well as not only that, homeopathy offers you much more effective rate in healing these things. And also, if you're neglecting this PCOS, you will develop all of these diseases and the prognosis can turn really, really bad. Not only for your ovaries, but also your uterus can get thickened, you can lose a lot of blood and you can become anemic, you can start to lose hair. So all of these complications will start. So if you're someone who's suffering from PCOD or PCOS, try to understand that you have to take doctor consultation as soon as possible. If you're someone who's suffering from PCOD or PCOS, you can contact us in person if you're staying nearby the nearest branch of Fidicus, or if you're staying abroad, or if you're staying very far from us, you can contact us online either through an audio or a video consultation option. And after the consultation has been done, we will ask you for investigations, whatever your case demands. And after the investigations, we will be after all this process is done, especially to the online clients, your medicine will be door delivered to you. If you're staying in India, 3 to 4 business days. If you're staying in USA, 3 to 5 business days. And if you're staying in apart from USA and India, anywhere else in the globe, 4 to 8 business days. If you're someone who is looking for cure, you can contact us on this number. You can call us, message us, or WhatsApp us on this number. If you want to know more about Fidicus Homeopathy, you can check our website www.fidicus.com. Here, if you're someone who's suffering from PCOD or PCOS or any other female reproductive symptoms, why should you choose Fidicus Homeopathy? We have already discussed why should you choose homeopathy over allopathic form of treatment. Now we will be telling you why should you choose Fidicus Homeopathy apart from all the homeopathic physicians in the world. Because Fidicus Homeopathy stands for highest chance of health. Here we follow 3 principles. We are doing this video because we have high success rate in treating PCOD, PCOS, bulky uterus, endometriosis, adenomyosis, fibroid cases, and much more other cases. Here we follow 3 principles. High success rate. We are already having or experiencing good success rate in people who are suffering from PCOD and PCOS. And apart from that, transparent treatment. That is, there is no gray area between the patient and the doctor. Here we will be explaining it to you clearly what the prognosis and how your case is going to run. And the personal care here at Fidicus is top notch. The reason why we are doing this video is because we care about our patients. They are asking us a lot of questions about these topics. So that is why in order to educate them, we are doing this video. So the personal care here at Fidicus is top notch. We will be answering all of your queries and educating you on your disease. So if you want to choose health, if you want to choose cure, choose Fidicus Homeopathy. Thank you.
Fidicus Homeopathy.